And we're back. 60 frames a second still. Let me take my phone out and see what this latency lag is looking like. Or is it going to tell me this link is no longer valid? There we go. Oh, or not. There we go. New link. What is that, about 0.3 seconds now? So I assume that this isn't even the chat for that live, so I'd have to refresh all the shit that I have to pull it up.
Shut up.
This guy, you're slaying me with that.
Yeah, I can't help it. Shiba and Doge fucking taking off.
Are they? Are they though?
Yeah, there's a new whale in Shiba right now. It
Yeah.
dropped, what, 43 million into Shiba?
Mm-hmm.
Like a fucking psychopath.
New link for the broadcast. The delay is now under 2 seconds. I'm not gonna be able to stay in the chair this long. I can feel it. So I got the cable ran, all 4 of them. I ran 4 cables at the same time like a smarty, just in case we need to add any dedicated lines to any of the other rooms.
It says live, but there it goes.
New link. Yeah, it's a new link now. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Penis. It's not too bad.
Oh, kid's calling. Hold on.
Yeah, yeah. Whoop, that whole video, they couldn't even hear your voice.
Which one? The last one?
Both of them.
Huh?
Both of them. At the end of the video? What are you talking about?
I don't think he's talking to us.
I don't know.
And we're back. Did you hear the audio at the end? Yeah, it was
Audio
fixed.
of what? You didn't
My,
explain anything.
my voice. My voice. The
On
audio.
what?
You said they couldn't hear my voice in that whole video.
Do you even know what video I'm talking about?
No, I thought you were just talking about the stream.
No, no, no.
No, I could
What
hear you
video?
on the video anyways. On the stream.
Yeah, mine was fucked up at the beginning, so I just assumed. My bad. That's what I get for assuming.
He was talking about the video from last night that we did. 2 of them.
You guys did a video?
We did 2.
Wait, you guys made a video together?
I can't believe that shit. I can't believe the entire video. It sounds like I'm just talking to myself.
Oh, you couldn't hear whoop? Wow. I don't know why you switched it and switched it back. I don't know. It's weird. Navigation. Here we go. Maybe we can... add something to navigation. Right now, the only thing in there is. Oh, Jesus. That is a good question. I'm not sure. I was gonna assume that components name equal component props. Horizontal, vertical, vertical 2. How do we at least, if I can figure this part out where I just add more than just applications to the navigation sidebar content. Demo sidebar. Hmm. Hmm. What's going on? Oh, where could it be? Oh, where could this all be? This layout for the nav. Yeah, so this is hosted on a Docker configuration. I'll pull it up and show you right quick. Easiest way to show you is in Portainer. So we've got 2 stacks. Really, there's 4 containers. Really 3 if you don't include the Portainer itself. So we're running our server that we're editing the code on peons. And then we have a separate MongoDB container. And then we have the user interface for that database. Now we haven't touched the Mongo database just yet. It is initialized. I'll show you here. I think it's 7,000. Yeah. So we are also running a Docker minified Mongo database. which is what we're going to use to start storing stuff. Just to give you an idea of what we'd be storing, it's going to be some things like this. This is where I got the example. So things like calendar events, all these different types of events and all the notes that go with it, we'll be storing in MongoDB. We'll be pushing logs of notifications sent to MongoDB, logins, potentially adding a punch in, punch out to this interface, which would also be stored in MongoDB. So there's just a bunch of things. We've got login screens, so there'll be a database that has all the users in it. I don't think we're going to use the instant messenger built-in kind of stuff. Probably going to skip that, but just kind of showing you the stacks that are installed on this one. If we switch over here to our uptime, so we're monitoring a few servers, computers locally here. This is also hosted in Docker. Now, if your question is, what is Docker? I can go into that. Okay, back over here. How do we find? So we don't need to mess with types. We just need to find this stupid thing that says where everything is. Pretty sure we got we got away from that example. We were starting to mess with the routes. Oh, no, that's not gonna help. Where the hell did we put the part that picks the routes? mm, 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 mm. I think this is it right here. Did we just stumble upon the navigation? I think we did. Yes, here we go. Here's the children. So, fuck, thank goodness. We should be able to add and just gonna call this sure. Gonna leave that. Yeah. So let's build this again and see if that is where the navigation comes from. It would be a nice find. Okay, says it's up and running. There it is. We found it. Cool. But now calendar's in all caps for some unknown reason. That is not how this other one is listed. Oh, is that because of the translation that it just came out like that? So you're telling me if I do one for calendar like this, and then rebuild it, that will bring it back down to lowercase. Yay! Cool. So, we've got a translation index. And now we have where we can add calendar, or not calendar, I'm sorry, navigation items. So, what else do we have? What else? We were gonna do a stopwatch, right? We're gonna do some type of stopwatch. We said calendar. I feel like I have notes written down somewhere. Hold on, guys. I'm almost certain I have notes in here somewhere. Oh, where? Oh, it's definitely not under fucking slides. Who opened up slides? I opened up slides. Looked a lot like the notes. Okay. It's not the must-see movies. Damn, where the hell did I type this shit up at?
know your friend is streaming too? One of your best friends?
Talking about Cyberlight Games?
No.
Talking about the person whose name we don't say?
No. I don't even know if he streams anymore.
You gotta be more specific there, sir.
It's your best friend.
My best friend? It's impossible. My best friend's occupied holding my phone right now.
Nah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Playing New World. I sent you the link.
You sent me the link to New World?
No. To his stream.
Huh? It didn't come through. You sure? Must not have came through. Must be stuck somewhere. Alright, we gotta find the notes. I've typed up notes on this, guys. Come on. Because we were already breaking down how it was gonna be what and what. Like it's already broken down somewhere. The question is where the hell did I write it? Looking. Okay. Let me just see right quick, guys. As I thought. No. Did I put it in the folder with it, maybe? Doesn't seem like I would put it there. No, because if I put it there, it would be uploaded with the whole project. That's not where it's at. Jeez. Now we're over here. Someone commented in Russian on the video. Okay. On the last video, probably. I appreciate that comment, whatever it was. And apparently we have a subscriber. We appreciate that as well. That doesn't help me figure out where the hell I wrote these notes. As I remember sitting there and going through my head stating, everything. Is it in Samsung Notes?
Yeah, I am upset with season 4.
You said you're upset with season 4?
Yeah. Oh no, he's got blood now. What the fuck is going on?
Yeah.
Season 4 was stream it, Sean.
We
Some of it
covered
was
this.
censored
Yes.
in season 4 only, though.
Yes. And then after the outcry, they fixed it.
Stream it, Sean. What episode you on? That was loud as fuck. Oh, you still got so long ago.
I don't know where my notes are. Is it a notepad? Shit.
He doesn't have a pair of nuts.
He's nuts.
It's okay if you don't have a pair.
there. That's where all the hacker stuff is in here. Could it? Would I use Google Drive? No. No. Hold on. Let me look. I'm almost certain I typed it up from the phone. Wish I could remember where I was at, what I was doing when I came up with all the brilliant. I found it. It was in a app on my phone, just not even saved. So announcements, calendar, timer, days of operation or hours, and then a bunch of admin dashboard stuff. So I assume these are listed as children from top to bottom. Example shouldn't be example. Example is really going to be admin dashboard, right? We'll figure out that icon situation here in a second. Right? Right. Okay. Yeah, leave this open too. Since we're translating openly in English. Okay. So admin dashboard, calendar, timer. Let's go ahead and add one of those in. And we also said announcements. How's that? That's going to be different from the admin dashboard. Carousel. Okay. It's kind of different. That makes sense. At least to me, I think it makes sense. So like that. Okay. Save. And we just come back in here. Admins first. An ID. We'll just call. All of these should just be. I don't know why you would need an ID, but we'll call it nav admin for whatever reason if we need. There we go. Nav. Okay, so is it? Are we going for? Well, yeah, we're going for announcements, right? Yeah, announcements. Um, announcements, calendar, timer. Okay. And what else do we have on our list here? We had timer, the admin dashboard. The admin dashboard is going to have a bunch of shit. Hours of operation. What would we call that as a nav menu? That's usually about us. That's usually on an about us page. For now, we'll leave it like that. Let's build and go visit. Now, of course, we should get 404 errors going to any of these outside of admin because those pages and those routes don't exist yet. So we're going to refresh. Boom. We're going to open this up. Timer, 404, beautiful. Calendar, beautiful. Announcements, redirect to beautiful. Back to admin. Good. Good, 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 good. And it's highlighted because it knows we're here on the admin page. Outstanding. So, we've made some progress. We'll have to build those React pages out. We still need to remove this ugly ass footer. What else? We need to hide this whole modal. Off screen with Tailwind, as far as I know. Because we're using the Tailwind, it's going to be the only way to do it. Not sure where that bootstrap came from either. Pretty sure I got rid of all that stuff. Let me see. See, just randomly it's at the top. Just says bootstrap on top of all this stuff. Now, is it possible that I accidentally somehow added that in right there? That might be why. Okay. Close. Build it one more again. That should get rid of our bootstrap problem. Beautiful. Gone. Now, footer. Let's see. Is there a footer in here somewhere? I was pretty sure there's not. Just a splash screen, right? So that footer is coming from somewhere in here already. Mm-hmm. Footer layout, class name, fix, sticky bottom. Footer layout is the component. Right here. And it just says footer. We're gonna leave that, and I think we just need to take it out of the layout. I feel like if I just comment this out, that should remove our footer. Yeah? Let's do it and find out. Oh, 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 oh. Sapphire Bob. Nope. My apply is not working because it's set up for production. Yes. That's okay. Boom. The footer's gone. It's gone. It's gone here too. What is this? We need to get rid of that. What is that? What are they calling it? Fuse setting schemes. Left side layout, correct. Fuse message, right side panel display. Let's see if we take that out. What's this fuse? What is the message? Hold on. Let's see if there's anything else. I think we can leave the message there. I think the right side panel. Let's go look at right side panel right quick. Right side layout is quick panel. I feel like that's gonna get rid of it. Because we don't need that. The quick panel, don't need it at all. Hopefully it gets rid of this button and that whole right side panel. Just trying to create as much space as possible. It didn't get rid of it. It did not get rid of it. Okay, so let's leave that there. Configure nav bar position. Right and nav bar wrap. Bar at the top. Nav bar left and wrap. And left side right layout. Settings panel. That's what that is. This. Theme settings. Settings panel.
I gotta go.
Alright,
Just
man.
going to the emergency room. I'll be
Yep,
back.
yep.
Alright, let us know.
So it's either got to be the settings panel or a toolbar. I'm gonna go with settings panel. Hmm. Hmm. That's exactly what it is right there. Okay, that should get rid of that whole button now. Bada bing, it's gone. Oh, it's looking so clean. Yes, 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 yes. Now, we were wondering, is it possible to trigger full screen Is it possible to trigger full screen without the stuff? We'll get to that. That's fine. Hmm. Yeah, I would like to see what the name of the freaking icons are. So the icons we use, what's hot? Do they just call that fire? Hold on. Oh, it's a material icon. I knew that. Okay. So let's switch up some of these icons. We've got admin panel. I like it. For admin panel, let's change that to admin panel settings. Let's go with hmm. Yeah, we don't need it to be two-toned. Okay. Announcements. That's usually the foghorn, right? What are we making? Whoa, Cyberlight, when did you pop in here? We are we're doing more web dev than anything. Um, I have, hold on, that's enough chips for the day. I have a few Raspberry Pis off screen that are running headless. They are running Docker containers. I will pull them up now for you to see. So we've got a few Docker containers running locally. One of them is a database, MongoDB. The other one is a Express node server that I'm using to serve up this website slash notification system. So right now I am configuring, basically what you would have is um, monitor set up around your business like this, and all you would see is running text or whatever or a calendar, and then you would have an admin dashboard where you're able to see all of your connected devices and their IP address and their names and what section table they're at. And you basically would be able to send either system-wide notifications to every monitor in your store or to a specific monitor. So for example, if someone's food is ready, you could send it out on all the monitors, ticket number 49 now serving. So yeah, we've got a few up and running. Let me see. I'll pull you up another one here. Nope, that wasn't it. There it is, 2000. So we're monitoring. This is also running on another Raspberry Pi, and that one is monitoring technically the other Raspberry Pis. You can see here it's monitoring our server that we're running. And I coded the server to come back with a response of OK anytime it's pinged, and it's being pinged every minute from this other Raspberry Pi. So, just trying to broaden the horizons on programming, understanding everything from front end to back end, the whole full stack approach is where we're trying to go with that. And we're changing some icons right now. I need to find the one for whatchamacallit. Need to find the one for announcements or just like a blowhorn. I know they have it. Hmm. Let me pop this back so I can see anything you guys are saying in chat. God, what would it be called? Maybe we just scroll and look right quick and see if we can't spot. Because I don't even know what real category that's typically under. But I feel like announcements needs the blowhorn icon. Celebration, that's close. Campaign. Campaign could work. It looks like you're giving out an announcement right there. I may use campaign. Can I open that in another window? Of course not. Campaign looks really good right now. And with YouTube being YouTube, you know, I dare not play any music. How dare I? Even though I know I had a YouTube song that wasn't going to get me copyright. I think we stick with the campaign one before I just keep scrolling and scrolling. Yeah. Hmm. And I kind of like the outlined ones, right? So announcements will have a campaign outlined calendar. You would think this is going to be easy to find. Looks kind of generic without something in it. What do you guys think? We're definitely not going just the blank calendar today, but we can go with calendar today, event. What's the difference between insert, invitation, and event? I feel like using schedule for the timer, but we're gonna just see if we can find a stopwatch for that one. Um, I think we go with this. Yeah, I think that's what we go with. No, it's not nap time. My second win is on the horizon. Right? So, oh, that's all that was there for that one? You just put in today? That's it? Is that what it copied? Today icon? Yeah, I guess so. What else is in the menu over here? In the timer. So let's go see if we can't find. So here we go. Oh, no, go back. There was some like right on top. Access alarms. Let me see. There's time. I like it with the plus. But then we've got one that looks like a timer right here. Oh, there it is. Timer. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, let's recompile here and hope that we got those all listed the way they need to be listed. All we have to do is refresh over here. Those icons should change. Realizing now that I didn't pick on it looks about the same. Okay, should be done. Yep, we didn't do it right. Son of a bitch. So hmm. I'm I guess I'm confused on should have been named timer icon. Is there an import that's needed? I would hope not. Let me see. Let me see something. I guess it wasn't capitalized. Let me just put all these where they're not capitalized and see. Right? Yeah. Okay. That those should work just like that. Because they had what's hot, all lowercase. Unless they're importing just that icon somewhere, I should be able to just type this icon like it is. There we go. So everything except for the admin one Seems to be working. Admin panel settings. Is that... Did I grab that from a different place? Pretty sure I didn't. Hold on. Admin panel settings. Try it again. See what happens. I see. Mm-mm. It's just like they just don't have it. Come on, that's the one I want. Oh. I mean, unless I need to make the rest of it uppercase. Nope. Hmm. Let's just see if the first one's lowercase, if that does anything. Anything at all. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. It's almost as if it's just fucking... It's like it's there, but it's not there. It's like... there's a file, but maybe because of the material UI, it's like it's not there. That makes sense. See? We're pulling this from here. Okay, let's go look and see in this folder why it's not compiling. WOFF.
Hello.
Hello.
How's your day been so far? Friendly?
Are you talking to me?
Yeah.
Oh,
And Will.
it's going. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's going.
Excuse me.
I'm actually streaming right now, trying to
You.
edit some stuff, huh?
I will pull you up on my laptop.
Yeah, by all means. By all means. So I feel like we're missing this.
Am I not? Am I not following you?
Huh?
I don't think I'm following you, which is weird.
Why are you not?
Maybe I forgot to press the follow button or something.
I feel like it's dated. So it's pulling it locally. The problem is that icon's not in that outline regular WOFFT.
What's your name on Twitch?
Hmm? Oh, I'm not
What's
on
your name on
Twitch.
Twitch? Oh, you're on YouTube?
Yeah.
What's your name on YouTube?
Did you not know that I was on my YouTube? Let me see. Easy way to get this to you. Create a poll.
There we go.
Did you find one of them?
One of them. What do you mean?
Yeah, I don't know if you
I
found
got. I followed. I mean, I subscribed to the one that's streaming right now.
Yeah, okay. You got it then. So, is there not a way for me to like swipe or no swiping? Like I'm trying to see if I can't update the files, but I'm guessing I'm not going to be able to update those files because they paid for a very specific one a long time ago. That's the guess. But if I could update it, I would only have to drop it in this folder. Does the CSS file show us what version? Of course not. It gives us the URL and the format. I'd really like to. I don't even understand who opens that type of files. Let me see. Can I open Google Chrome and just see? Nope. Hmm. WFF2. Hmm.
So, do you get like commissions to work on this stuff, or do you just want to work on it for fun or something?
I'm gonna show you here in just a second. I guess I have to browse that, huh? whatchamacallit was able to open this shit a long time ago. So what I'm personally working on is not commissioned, which is this site here. However, in an attempt to build my portfolio, let me close the two editors out. I'm attempting, see, and even that is messy because it's sliding the whole thing instead of just coming out. There's a site where you can get paid and commissioned to do this. And this is the place, Upwork. So if you type in React to find work, give me a second, see if I can log in for you guys. Sources. Turning off screen. There we go. Give me a second here. Let me see if I can log in and show you. Huh. So I've logged in on the phone, but I've not logged in on the actual site. Just need to see what my login information is really quick. Uh-oh.
I hate how the Mac 10 shoots so fast. It's so hard to hit at headshots.
Oh wow. I might not know what my login is for this now. Bear with me, sir. That's what I thought. That is the email. Seems I set a password for this that was overly complex. Okay, they're sending me a password reset because I don't recall what it was to log in.
I need 1,306. I have 975.
There it is. There's the password reset. Numbers and symbols, right? Just like that. What? You lie. Okay, apparently that was my password. No password reset needed. Okay, let's turn this back on now that we're in there like swimwear. So here, you can find jobs to do, or gigs, or contract work. We'll call it contract work. WordPress, any type of development, programming. And this is you can do by US only, or you can do across the whole world, where you can find, they kind of allude to what they're looking for.
Yeah.
Now, the way this site works is when you first sign up, the website gives you like, they give you like 50 credits, right? And you can do what's called a proposal. So I'm going to go back to this first one, this WordPress one, just to show you an example. So here they're saying their budget, they're willing to spend 40 to 130 an hour for someone to, needs to go live October 15. It's based on a new news release in October, looking for a professional developer who can commit to building the site. And he's already received, or she has already received, 20 to 50 proposals. So what you would do is, this is going to cost you 6 of your tokens out of the 50 that they give you for free. So you would submit a proposal of, I can do it for, you know, blah, 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 and this much an hour, and type in all your details and upload examples. And what you're doing is you're trying to bid on, yeah, you're trying to bid against those other people, you know.
So they're looking for good price and good people to do the work.
Right. Now here's the thing. I had someone come to me on whatchamacallit, on Indeed, and sent me a message shortly after I signed up, because what they were doing is They were trying to find someone here in the United States that they could partner with because the country they were in doesn't allow them to make proposals outside of their country. Like you have to be in the US on a lot of these ones that pay a lot more money. And but either way, you know, that website will track because once you finish, the buyer goes in and rates you, you know, and now your rating starts, and now
Do
you
you
can
get
go
like
ahead.
more tokens if your rating's good, or do you get tokens at all?
I think you have to buy them.
Oh, that sucks.
I think so. I mean, you're making money. Well, I mean, it depends on how it sucks, right? If um, how do I want to say it? If you're making money off of the work performed, then you should be able to afford more tokens. Um, if an event they took a cut of what you're gonna make, then it wouldn't make sense for them to charge for tokens. What I like, I guess what I like about what they're doing, since it is a proposal type of setup, is they're making they're making money off of you just attempting to bag the job,
Yeah.
right? So even for you to put your name in the hat, they're gonna be making money.
Mhm.
Okay, so that's kind of, and maybe they're charging less than, let's say, like another site where they're taking 10% of what you make. So they're allowing you to keep more of your money from the deal you struck up, but also, you know, for any average Joe coming in, it's like, yo, it's pay to play right off the gate. We'll give you 50. After that, you got to restock, you know. And what they do is based on how much the budget is, I think that's how they determine how many of your tokens it's going to cost for you to put in a bid. I think that's how they're doing it. You know, so one bid could be like 2 tokens, and that one I just pulled up was 6 tokens. So
Uh-huh.
it's like
That makes
going to the
sense.
arcade, you know,
Like,
straight
ooh,
up.
I want to play. I want a chance to play this machine.
And I have no idea what the prices are on those tokens either. Did not go look it up.
I'll be right back.
I'm so tired. I need a good solid nap and then I could get back on later tonight and finish streaming or stream another session. And I don't think YouTube has hosting like Twitch does. So if I end the stream, I think it's just over. I don't think there's a way for me to host another stream on my channel. You're either live or you're not. I'm alive. Yeah, we're gonna need a nap. My body is telling me on all my soreness. Well, and we'll have to figure out why that icon's not loading. I mean, I have a pretty good idea why it's not loading, and there's really nothing I could probably do about it because I'm not gonna pay for these material icons. But let's look up right quick and see. Not hosting like that. YouTube. Yeah, I didn't think they did. that's it. I don't think you can host anyone else. Almost certain you cannot. So what we will do is we will end the stream, and I will stream again later this evening. Thank you, everyone who came by and subbed, or followed, subscribed, watched, commented, asked questions. I will be on later, after my nap.